If you're a technology stakeholder or decision maker in the logistics, distribution, or manufacturing space, you know that defining goals and objectives and seeing them through on a construction project can be a real source of frustration. We understand how challenging it can be to coordinate with multiple vendors and contractors, and time is a scarce resource. Plus, fixing issues late in the project can be expensive and delay your project unnecessarily. That's where Matrix-NDI comes in. We act as your IT general contractor, coordinating and delivering IT infrastructure for large manufacturing and distribution centers, helping you build, renovate, or expand your facilities with ease. We work at a fast pace while maintaining scope, schedule, and budget. We can accurately budget early in the process and manage that budget throughout the course of the project. Matrix-NDI's team of expert engineers understands each network-dependent system in your building, making sure your network infrastructure is correctly designed, including end-user devices, wireless, physical security, automation, productivity and sensing technologies, warehouse management systems, fire and DAS safety systems, and intelligent low-voltage systems. We work in all 50 states in Canada and we're built for companies who need to connect multiple locations in different states. And Matrix-NDI differs from its competitors by doing everything in-house. Our client advisement, engineering, and project management are all performed with our own resources, and we actually build what we design and budget. We're not just a vendor. We're your trusted advisor and technology partner, and we exist to help you achieve your goals and objectives through thoughtful design with our team of technology experts. So, if you're building, renovating, or expanding a logistics, distribution, or manufacturing facility, give us a call today. You'll be glad you did. Matrix-NDI, your general contractor for everything IT.